Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on FastAPI and Streamlit using Python. As far as my observation, viewers are more interested in Python rather than React, Node, Angular. So I decided why not do some creative videos today using FastAPI microservices. We have gone through many videos on FastAPI such as FastAPI tutorial, then FastAPI authorization and password, then FastAPI using getAPI with path parameter, then REST operation with CURD operation using REST service using FastAPI, then CURD operation using FastAPI, then FastAPI with Streamlit. We have seen only one video on FastAPI using Streamlit. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about integrating FastAPI with Streamlit, the best example of microservices. I will stop the process and I will start the process using FastAPI using Streamlit. Here, now we will go through the program. This is the program. Here we can see port number 5000, then URL, packages need to be imported, request in the sense request the process, Streamlit component. Now I will execute the program. Stop and start the process using FastAPI with Streamlit. Now I will launch the long running process manager. Okay, fine. Yes, then I will over to the documentation, docs. Yes, here is there. First of all, we will run get API. Yes, fine. Now we can see here the process is running 2000 L long running process. Yes, it is showing. Now what I will do, I will do one thing. I will clear that. I will cancel that and I will use hello. Now we can see here it is started. Yes, it is started. Now I will stop it. Now we can see here. Now it will be stop. Yes, now it process is stop. Now shut down. Yes, process has been successfully killed by API. So that is the FastAPI using Streamlit start and stop process. Now we will see another part of this part. Now we will see. Yes, it is there. Now I will do one thing. I will again run the program. I will launch the process. Yes, fine. Now I want to do redoc. We will see what happens. Yes, nice. It is quite interesting. Now I will do hello. Yes, hello. 2000 response successful from the server. Now I will run hello application. Yes. Response was unsuccessful. Now I will stop. Now here response hello. Now here set out response successful. So I have done FastAPI with Streamlit in different style to start and stop the long process using FastAPI, using microservices with Streamlit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Python, Streamlit, machine learning, if possible Python with Raspberry Python if possible. I will be back with more and more creative videos, and afterwards then Node.js, React.js, Monstack, full stack. So for latest update about my channel, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching. Again here it is stop or it is showing. I will shut down. Yes. It is showing 2000 successful. Shut down.